Hey guys, how's it going? Here's a question for you. Just kind of think of the answer as I rattle off the question and just hear that little voice answering the question for you. Now, the question is, what's actually holding you back from going forward after your dreams? Is it maybe you have this fear of failure? And maybe you have a fear of success. I know that was my problem quite a while back, where as soon as I started to do something pretty well, subconsciously, somehow, I would destroy what I'm doing so I couldn't. And I had that fear of success. Maybe it's that you have this fear of not knowing, what to do, how to do it, and where to start. Maybe that's it. It's just a lot of anxiety when you think about that. And then finally, you just lack the self-confidence to get going into something like this. And, I say the last one is really not. I guess this would be the last one. It's just the fact that it's something else. So, if you'd like to, kind of go over it, hit the like, hit the follow, and leave me some kind of a comment saying, let's talk. And I'm open to going through some of those with you. Later. Bye.